Hi, this is John Boyer with Namescape. I'm on a team that works with IT departments in the Mid-Atlantic as well as federal government for my company. And this week I want to show you how our software can create a web directory instantly based off the users within your Active Directory. The software out of the box will give you the ability to have a searchable web-based directory with some advanced search filters as well as some other roles we can add to that to customize the experience. So let's go take a look at the software and give you a good idea of how it is that you can quickly, instantly create a directory for your company. Let's take a look. So here we have our directory. This is the Enterprise Edition, which has fully customized experience for your users. But what you're going to see here is out of the box, you'll have a search application as well as a detail application of a user's profile. And what you're going to do is notice that these are all your users that are in Active Directory, as well as attribute information tied to that user displayed next to each person. So, for instance, if I'm on Dan right here, Dan is my end user in this law firm demo environment. Dan is looking at his own information. So you see information about his title, office. The Community Edition will display mainly your GAL information, but as you see here, it's customized where you can expand that to, let's say, the group of information about who your organization is, like who reports to you. They can hyperlink up to other people within the company. You can display web pages such as SharePoint or even maybe from an HR database as well. And you can also look at people who report to you. So for instance, if you need to see Charlie, who reports to Dan, his emergency contact information, what you're going to see here is a new tab that was not available before. We also can restrict views for people as well, so that if someone that does not report to Dan, you want to look at their information, you might not want them to have access to that emergency contact information, so we've eliminated that from view as well. And one nice thing you can do within the other editions of our directories allow self-editing so that users can maintain the information about themselves. So we have this nice little edit button off to the right, and on here they can update their own phone numbers, some other attributes you can include as part of the editing forms, emergency contact information, business groups, in any other field you like to have. And the best part is that you don't have to actually make them an administrator within the directory to give them these rights. Just within our directory, you can give them these permissions, and they won't have access to this information outside of the software. So this is a quick look at the program. Like I said, it's a searchable directory. It allows you to do some basic as well as advanced searches. You can customize what it is that search. So let's say if you want to do specific departments, you can also perhaps do, let's say, if you want to enable some language attributes, let's just say accounting, French-speaking accountants over here. And with this query of results, you can do an email to this list. It just happens to be one person right here. Or you could export this information to Excel. So please see our website for more details about the different editions. But like I said, your Community Edition will allow you to have instant access to a web directory that displays your users, and any other edition you can customize with roles for different views as well as editing rights to make sure that each user has their own experience. So that's the Community Edition as well as the Enterprise Edition of our directory. If you want to take a look at an evaluation copy, go to namescape.com and find the Community Edition link under the Our Directory section. There you can download a free copy of the software to evaluate on your own. Or if you'd be interested in evaluating the Enterprise version, please email me at john.boyer@namescape.com, and I'll be happy to walk you through a brief demonstration as well as show you how you can get this up and rolling at your own company. Thanks so much for watching this, and I look forward to hearing from you next time. Take care.